The chef, Omar Montero, serving up traditional Mexican tacos at La Santa Taqueria in Miami.
The most authentic or the most traditional tacos in all around Mexico City. We want to show to the American people how we really eat in Mexico. You're going to enter in a place that you can feel that very familiar vibe. You're going to have a very Mexican experience.
Located in Miami's Little River neighborhood, La Santa Taqueria has plenty of tacos for you to try. You can order them piled high with meat, seafood, or veggies, and they're made with classic corn tortillas. They also have tons of shareable dishes like guacamole and queso fundido. So stop by La Santa Taqueria and check out one of the other shareable dishes we are making today. Tuna Tostadas. Chef Omar starts by slicing up raw, fresh tuna.
And we're gonna marinate.
Marinate the tuna for a few minutes with a mix of orange juice, lime juice, and soy sauce. While you wait, you can whip up some guacamole. Chef Omar chops onions, serrano peppers, and cilantro and adds them to a bowl of avocados.
And from here, we're just gonna combine.
Chef says the most important part of making a good guac is to season it. He adds salt and lime juice.
It's very important that the lime juice is fresh.
Now spread the guacamole in a tostada. You can buy these at the store ready-made. Next up, the tuna, then a Chipotle Mayo. We have a recipe for that on our website. The next layer is a roasted pepper.
Today I'm using the shishito pepper. It's Asian pepper that it's not spicy at all.
Top the tostada with crispy onions. You can buy these at the store or fry them up at home yourself. And garnish with micro cilantro, and you are ready to serve.
My name is Chef Omar Montero. Welcome to La Santa Taqueria. This is one of our main appetizers, the Tuna Tostadas. Enjoy.
Want to make it? Here's your chance. All you have to do to make these tuna tostadas at home is grab your phone and scan the QR code that you see on your screen there, and it'll take you right to the recipe.